Today in this module, we are going to study a new term, that is sales promotion. Sales promotion includes the activities of non-routine nature which are undertaken occasionally for the product promotion and sales increase. Thus, sales promotion is defined as sales promotion involves providing short-term incentives to encourage potential customers to buy a product. All promotional efforts which are not covered by advertising, personal selling, and public relations are included in the sales promotion. The important techniques used in sales promotion are the first one, distribution of samples, rebate, refunds, discount coupons, product combination, quantity gifts, lucky draw, full finance at 0%, exchange offer, usable benefit, and instant draw. These are the important techniques of sales promotion. Now we are going to study these topics in detail. Organizations adopt a number of techniques are also known as methods of sales promotion. Some commonly used methods of sales promotions are, first one, distribution of samples. Some organizations distribute samples to persons who are perceived as influential in their social groups. The basic logic behind that, those persons will influence the opinion of group members to buy the product. Rebate involves offering product at less than the listed price of a specific period or on special occasions like festivals. Rebate is also known as price of offer. The next one is refunds. Refunds involves giving discount on a fresh purchase of a product on the production of the proof of various purchase of the product. For example, giving discount of 2 rupees on the purchase of a new toothpaste tube on giving the empty tube. Then another technique is discount coupons. Discount coupons is a kind of certificate whose holder is entitled to get the specified product at a discount. Coupons may be given to the customers on certain purchase, and these coupons may be used for the next purchase, or coupons may be attached with the advertisements. The next point is product combination. In this method, on buying the product, another item is given free or at heavy discount. For example, buy a desktop computer and get 320 GB hard disk free. Then another example is buy a bottle of 200 grams sauce and get 500 grams detergent free, etc. Then another technique is quantity gift. In this method, buying of a product is specified in specified quantity entitles the buyer to get the same product free in specified quantity. For example, buy 3 soaps and get 1 free. Then the next point is instant draw. In this method, a buyer may get a gift if the product has a coupon for such a gift. Example, open the cork of a soft drink bottle and look for the gift coupon. Then next point is lucky draw. In lucky draw, there is a random selection of customers who may get specified gifts. For this purpose, purchase voucher numbers are used. Then another one is usable benefit. On buying the products, some usable benefits are given like free holiday trip, etc. Then next one is full finance at 0%. In this method, customers are given full financing facility in interest fee. They have to pay just installments on the product price without interest. Then the last technique used in sales promotion is exchange offer. It involves exchanging an old product with a new product by paying exchange price which is lower than the listed price of the new product. For example, exchange your old TV exchange your old refrigerator, etc. Exchange offer, full finance at 0%, usable benefit, lucky draw, then instant draw, discount coupons, product combination, refunds, rebate, and distribution of samples. These are the important techniques of sales promotion.